Skies alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Well, pretty solid area of rain across central Illinois, and that's coming right up over our area for early in the morning. I want to show you, before we get to tracking the winter weather advisory, which is Muskegon, Newaygo, Montcalm, and Gratiot counties to the north, generally north of M46, and with the best chance for picking up some freezing rain the farther north you go, especially up toward US 10. We're back to radar here now, and you can see the rain kind of rotating back up to the north. If we put a track on the leading edge of this here, where the more significant rain is, that gets to Grand Rapids around 5 a.m. and to the Kalamazoo area also about 4:35. So before daybreak, it will be raining. The wind will start picking up as well. Here's the way it looks for daybreak in Grand Rapids. Temperature about 34, 35 degrees. It'll be raining. The roads will be wet. I don't think there'll be any ice right here in Grand Rapids on the roads. But as you go north of Grand Rapids, you certainly have to watch out for that during the early morning. Temperatures are in the mid-30s now at the current time. You can see we've dropped below freezing at Sturgis and Coldwater, where there was still a little bit of snow on the ground earlier this morning. I expect in Grand Rapids we'll probably dip down to around 30 or 31 and then start up again as the rain starts and the warmer air starts to push in. Winds are out of the southeast now and picking up. We're at 16 miles an hour. Winds will shift to the southwest tomorrow, and I bet we get some wind gusts close to 30 miles an hour, so it will be a very breezy day. We've been dry so far this evening. Rain will start after midnight. Possibility for a little freezing rain. Again, the best bet for that would be north of Kent County. Windy tomorrow, and then dry weather expected during the afternoon. We should see a little bit of sunshine for the early afternoon. So here come the clouds. This is starting at 11 o'clock. That first band continues to come on in by 2 a.m. We could be seeing our first raindrops here in Grand Rapids. This overspreads the area, and the more significant rain is falling at 7 a.m. in the morning. Then this shifts out of the area. You can see by 10 o'clock there's still some sprinkles north of Grand Rapids, but most of us are done, and as the sunshine starts to break through, temperatures warm back up into the low 50s here during the afternoon. A few sprinkles for tomorrow night. In terms of how much freezing rain to expect, not much over most of the area. You can see where the blue is off to the north. Oceana, northern Newaygo, Mecosta counties to the north. Let's look at your 8-day forecast. 52 tomorrow, could make 58 Battle Creek and Coldwater. We'll be seeing temperatures here getting up into only about the 30-degree category here on Friday. Temperatures do moderate by the middle of next week.